Hi guys, so today I'm going to do a review on this item that I got from Beautybigbang. There's a 10% off code down below along with a link to the item. This is one of their stamping polishes, and as you can see it is black, which is number 2. I wanted to try this out as my other black was getting a little bit low, so I'm just going to use it on this stamping plate, which is also from Beautybigbang, and we'll see how well it picks up images. So as you can see there, that is a really nice crisp image pickup. You can see every single bit of detail there. The colour is very strong as well, it's not gone see-through, it is very, very opaque. So as you can see, that had really good pickup coverage, everything is fully opaque. Now they do other colour options as well, so be sure to check out the link below and you'll be able to see all their colour options available. I really like it and I'd like to get some more shades in it as well. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.